Hello, in front of me I've got Flydigi Vader 5 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to connect it to dedicated app. In the beginning, make sure that your controller is connected to your PC, and next go to Flydigi software. Go to download and select Flydigi space V41031 revision. Now install the app. And open it. Tap Start, Agree, and as you can see, your controller will be automatically recognized by the app. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.